Transform your body in just 4 weeks with these simple exercises. Being fit is no easy task. It takes determination, motivation, willpower, and resilience. One of the hardest part of living and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is taking that first step and getting started. Once you cross that hurdle, you have accomplished something that most people don't have the willpower or determination to do. And once you start, the results come. When you start seeing results, it's almost impossible to quit. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. It doesn't take much to get started. For beginners, the most important thing is firstly make sure that your diet is in check. Like they say, abs are built in the kitchen. So if you want to get fit, you have to start with your diet. Once your diet is in order, the next step is to perfect your workout routine. If you have been trying to live a healthier lifestyle or want to exercise more but don't really know where or how to start, these exercises are perfect for any beginner who is looking to make positive change to their lifestyle in just 4 short weeks. Now keep watching for 5 simple exercises that will transform your body in weeks. Number 1. The plank. The plank is a core exercise which strengthens your abdominal area, shoulders and back. It is one of the most important exercises you can do because it strengthens your core and helps with the posture. It also helps to reduce or prevent back pain and improve your balance. A strong core will improve your overall performance and also help with the overall daily task you perform every day. By working out your core, you strengthen your entire body and also protect your body from undue injury. The plank also helps strengthen and develop your abs. To perform a plank, get down on the floor into a push-up position. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and reset your weight on your forearms. Make sure that your elbows are directly underneath your shoulders and make sure that your body is in a straight line. Engage your core. Try sucking your stomach in towards your spine and hold it. For beginners, try holding the pose for 30 seconds and gradually work your way up as you progress. Number 2. The push-up. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most important exercises in the book. They work as full body exercise and build strength in your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs and legs. They also engage your core and increase your strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise, which means that it targets multiple muscles at the same time. What's so great about push-ups is that like planks, you don't need any fancy exercise equipment to do it. You can do it at home, outside, or anywhere you please. To do a push-up, place your hands on the ground directly beneath your shoulders, tighten your core and make sure that your entire body is straight, keeping your back flat and straight. Lower your body towards the floor. Keep your core nice and tight. Exhale and push yourself back up. Make sure that your entire body remains in a perfectly straight line while completing the movement. Are you familiar with any of the exercise in the video so far? Keep watching for some even more useful exercises that will help get you in a shape in just weeks. Number 3. The squat. The squat is another compound movement which effectively works multiple muscles in your body. It is one of the essential exercises to strengthen your core, your legs, hips and your back. Squats are a staple exercise in increasing your lower body strength. They also stimulate muscle growth, strengthen your joints and even improve your balance. Squats also engage your core and lower back while improving your posture at the same time. To perform a squat, stand facing toward with your chest up and your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and push your butt back as if you are sitting down in an invisible chair. Keep your head up and allow your back to arch ever so slightly. Make sure you don't let it round. Lower yourself down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as parallel as you can go. Make sure you are pressing your weight onto your heels and then push through your heels to go back up into the straight position. Start by just using your own body weight, and as you improve, you can progress into adding more weight to your squat. The squat is one of the most important and useful compound exercise. It primarily trains the muscle in your thighs, hips, glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. If you are trying out squats for the first time, you should make sure you are using the proper form. Consider speaking to a personal trainer for help in getting the form right. Bad form can lead to injuries which could affect your progress in the gym. In addition to this, incorporate healthy eating into your lifestyle. A good exercise regimen and diet will help improve your overall mental and physical health. If you have any underlying health conditions or injuries, be sure to talk to a doctor to find out what exercises are the safest for you to perform. And remember, consistency is key. You won't see results right away, but if you maintain a consistent workout routine combined with healthy eating, you will start to notice gradual changes in your physique as well as your overall health. What are some other exercises or activities that you do to stay fit and keep healthy? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.